guys. So it is morning. It is Tuesday, and I look like a tip. I know. I've been on the phone all morning long because Ronnie and I got married on March 14th, and well, that was 2 days before we went into lockdown. So things are kind of gradually opening right now, and so I'm trying to call the bank and my name changed, so I have to get new stuff, new ID. And so it's kind of complicating things because things are not open, and so I'm trying to figure out what I can do, what I can't do. I'm wearing my West Virginia shirt right here. Can you guys see that? Anyhow, I just made an Aldi order. They are on their way to deliver groceries this morning. Ronnie went ahead and went to the gym today without me because I'm staying here and I'm going to his mom's house and helping her. And I'm also going to be cooking today. And I just thought I would share my day with you guys, even though I look like a scary mess. Hopefully I can get upstairs and fix that for you guys before this video is over, right? I had a really long night last night. I did not sleep very good, and my allergies have gone haywire, and I just felt like I couldn't breathe. And if you have ever experienced that, you know what a horrific night's sleep that is. But I did get about 4 hours really, really early this morning. But because Ronnie had to go to the gym, there was no sleeping in today. So I had to get up. So I'm running on a couple cups of coffee this morning and a bowl of cereal. And I'm waiting for my Aldi order to arrive, and then I'll be able to get much more of my day started. I did dye my roots. You can still see a little bit of gray on the side, but that never colors over. I don't know why, but I just have it in an ugly bun, but I am going to do something about that in a little bit. Anyways, I'm going to share my day with you guys. I really miss my honey today. I hate it when we have to spend the day separated. But today couldn't be helped, but I miss my baby. So I just got my Aldi order. I got 3 loaves of bread here. I love the Aldi delivery service. If you all have not tried it, it is fantastic. For $3.99, if you order, I think it is, don't quote me, $35 or more, which is easy to do if you're buying your weekly groceries. The delivery fee is $3.99. So honestly, it's a great deal, and I love it. But I just wanted to quickly show you guys something. This is my new addiction. These are so delicious. I am a pudding girl. I love rice pudding, and I get 5 of these every time I make an Aldi order, and I put them in my refrigerator upstairs. And this is my movie snack, or my TV snack, since quarantine began. Because nobody seems to be buying these. They always have them. So this is my my go-to stress eating junk food. But anyway, I got to get in a scurry and get all of the rest of my groceries brought in. I'm thinking about making, well, I did good on that, didn't I? I'm thinking about making some of my orange cream salad. I'll put the recipe down below if I make that today. I am going to make my Mexican cabbage casserole. That is Ronnie's favorite, and since he's not home today, I know he'll enjoy that, so that's what I got going on. Can you say, uh-huh? This is one of my favorite things from Aldi's. Yum, yum, yum. Ronnie's going to be really happy to find those when he gets home. And I bought a box of sundae cones, and it has 2 different kinds in it, which will be awesome. And I also wanted to share with you guys, this is a awesome cookie. The caramel coconut. Oh, they are divine. I bought 2 of those because I cannot keep these in the house. Even my in-laws love these cookies. These are delicious. So it is dinner time, and so Ronnie's not home yet, but I'm going to go ahead and pre-prep this. And I thought I would just kind of come in and share what it is. It is 2 pounds of lean ground beef that I browned. I've got some mushrooms, some peppers, some onions, some garlic, some rosemary, some Italian seasoning, 1 jar of tomato and basil spaghetti sauce, and a half of a large container of cottage cheese. Now, some people don't use cottage cheese. You can use ricotta instead. That's my oven preheating. And I'm using these oven-ready lasagna noodles from Aldi's. They work exceptional, and I love them. So I've already began to do my layering, and I'm going to get it put together. And I'm also going to add mozzarella cheese to the top and throughout the layers, and we should have a wonderful lasagna. There it is, and it's ready for the oven. I'm just going to cover it with foil, and I try to keep the foil from touching the top of the cheese so it don't stick. And then the last 15 minutes I will put it in without the cover on it. So it usually takes about an hour and a half, and the whole thing will get done. But it already smells amazing, and I've got a little Italian seasoning and mozzarella on the top. Making some walnut brownies for dessert. Now I'm making some orange salad, and the recipe will be down below. It's just half of a large tub of cottage cheese. Since I used half in my lasagna, I took the other half and put in here. It's small curd. We did 2 cans of mandarin oranges, 1 can of crushed pineapple, which I drained all of that really thoroughly, 1 box of orange Jello, and now I'm going to whip in a small tub. See what the ounces are on it. There you go. 8 ounces of Cool Whip. This is just the Aldi brand. I'm going to whip that in there and put it in the refrigerator, and this is so delicious. If you want to watch the video that I made with the recipe, I'll put it down below for you guys. Brownies just came out of the oven and smells amazing. Bo, are you waiting for Ron to get home? You waiting for Ronnie? You sad? The bus is coming, so Ron is home. So we just got done eating, and I washed the dishes. And Ronnie is out on the porch. Actually, I spent a little time with him. He's out on the porch, and I had decided to come up here and kind of take it easy a little bit. I did not sleep that well last night, and so hopefully I can get a little rest this evening. And I just thought I might check out and see if I see anything on Netflix or something while I'm sitting here trying to, you know, take it easy. But anyways, I do hope you're enjoying today's vlog. There's not too much going on. I had a lot of phone calls and stuff I had to take care of this morning. And Ronnie went to the gym by himself. And then I did some cooking. And that was my day. And before I knew it, it was 4 o'clock. Anybody else ever have that problem? I'm extremely tired because I didn't sleep well last night, so I'm just gonna kind of mellow out here just a little bit and watch a little Netflix on my phone and just try to relax. And today is actually a very mild, very breezy day, and he loves to listen to the birds and hear the wind, and he just enjoys that so much. So I'm letting him have some time. He's letting me have some time, and that's okay by me because I could just probably lay here and go to sleep, to be quick.